going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and we're here at the Gear Jammer Magazine truck show. But I brought out some really cool stuff that I wanted to show you guys real quick to kind of give you a review on. You got to check this stuff out. Akaso has been doing some really cool stuff with their cameras and everything, but as you know, they sell other stuff. I'm going to start off with the pool. Check this pool out. Yes, I know there's no water in it right now, but my son Lucas, he's gonna model. Go ahead, Luke, hop in the pool.
Why?
Model the pool for me. Because you're tall. I want people to see. Oh, you're doing jazz hands?
Again, yes.
Get in the pool, show people how big it is. Just for size compare. That's all. Yes, I know I don't have any water here at the racetrack. We were supposed to have water, but we couldn't get water.
Oh yeah.
But my son is like almost 5'10". Oh yeah. And he's under the water technically. He's swimming. He's scuba-ing right now, but it's really cool. It's really easy. It fills up with air. Filled up with air, and it's really this isn't like that cheap what do you call it? Cheap material. This stuff is really like heavy-duty vinyl, I guess you'd call it. But it's a cool little kiddie pool, you know. Really cool little kiddie pool, you know, for the backyard in case you don't have a pool. Kids want to splash around. But yeah, I like it. But all right, so the next thing we got over here, which is even cooler than the pool, in my opinion, is this really cool beach tent. I know that we're not at the beach right now, but you could use it for multiple occasions. Picnics. You could use it at the racetrack or at a truck show like we're at now. I mean, this thing is really cool. You got these little sandbags over here you can fill up with sand if you're at the beach, or fill up with something to hold it down so it doesn't blow away. And it folds up into a cute little circle that I haven't figured out how to do yet. I was able to unfold it, but I still haven't figured out how to fold it back up. But once I figure it out, it'll be easy. But check this thing out. It's big. It's here, Luke, model this one for me too, buddy. Sure. Give me some jazz hands, bro. Give me some jazz hands. Jazz hands. But yeah, lay down. So as you guys know, my son is a lot taller than me. Now spread out.
Oh, fine.
Yeah, see? He could fit perfectly in there. You could fit 2 people in there comfortably. Put down a little sheet, you know, have a picnic, whatever, get good shade. And the back opens too. Open the back. You get ventilation. There's a little window there.
How open?
The little hook right there, see? See how easy that? Oh, look at that ventilation. But really, I gotta be honest with you, these 2 things are really cool. But you know, Akaso made these. But I gotta tell you, the coolest thing, the most useful thing, I must say, other than the pool and the tent, is this backpack cooler. Okay, the backpack cooler has to be one of the most useful things I have gotten to review here. This thing right here, we used it the other day. We filled it up with drinks and you know, a couple of sandwiches and stuff like that. Put some ice in it, and it stayed cold the entire day out in the sun. And I gotta tell you, it's comfortable. You throw it on your back. I mean, you don't have to throw it on your back, but I mean, if you're hiking through a trail, the woods, whatever you're doing, going camping, and you don't want to carry a big heavy cooler like this or like that, this thing is the way to go right here. Okay, I mean, you wear it on your back. This is a nice little cushion here. I mean, it's awesome. But yeah, I have the links. It's so cool, bro. It's Akaso, bro. Akaso. I'm gonna have the Akaso. Look, like it says on the box here.
Oh, Akaso.
Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I'll have a link in the description box for all these things if you guys are interested. Like I said, this thing is great if you're going camping and you don't want to have to lug around a heavy cooler. Yeah, check it out.
Can I give it a review?
Tell me what you think.
It's light. It looks like there's a lot going on. Look at this. There's a lot thick insulation.
Yeah, these things are
But it's light.
Yeah.
It seems like it will be heavy, but it's not. It's light. Oh, look at it. You got a zipper for your wallet or something.
Yeah. 24 cans it'll fit.
24 cans of beer. There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
But anyway.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. Anyway, so I'll have a link in the description box for all these different items. Okay. the cooler, the beach tent, the pool. I put my stamp of approval on them. We actually used everything once or twice already. The pool we used at the house, we filled it up. We brought it here because we thought we were going to be able to fill it up with water, but we haven't found water yet. So I do apologize for not having water in the pool. But yeah, all of these things are awesome. They're very well priced. Check out the links in the description box, and we'll see you later. Say goodbye, Luke.
Peace.
Say goodbye, Ralph.
Peace.
We're out of here. Thanks for watching. See you later.